Today we're playing Don't Press the Piggy button. I'm gonna press trampoline. So here's the other game from Don't Press the Button 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's the other games, but this is Don't Press the Piggy button. Beat the obstacle. Okay, we have to do this obby. I think if you die, you go back to that, big square thingy. Oh my god, I accidentally fell. Yeah. Press the button. Stone. Oh. Get to the top. Easy. Oh my god. This is harder than I thought. At least we get to play with balls up here. Okay. Oh no. Press the button. Crocodile jumps. Oh, if you die, you go here. It won't let me go up. Oh, there. Oof. It wouldn't let me go up, so I couldn't. I thought there was going to be, Piggy-related stuff. Escape the pig. Get on the plate quick. And go. I suck at this. I'm probably not going to use them because I'm really not going to play this game ever again. It's just a random game I thought of playing. Oh no. What even is that thing? Oh, it's like a hand thingy. Free cash in 2 seconds. Oh no, I lost my speedrun thingy. Just have to keep going. I think that's our plan. To keep going no matter what. Or else, if you get the coins and be greedy, then, that's impossible, I think. Yeah, impossible. Ooh. Oh, I still have super speed. It's raining. Wait. Not this. Oh, wait, never mind. I thought I was going to sing this song. I thought they re-uploaded the song, but never mind. Just like Simon says. But I have to do some important stuff today. So yeah, bye.